Hello everyone, welcome to Chef Crown. Today we'll cover pesto lasagna with chicken. Imagine this, layers of al dente pasta, drenched in garlicky basil pesto, stuffed with smoky grilled chicken, and smothered in 3 kinds of cheese. This isn't just lasagna, it's a flavor explosion that'll make your classic red sauce version taste like a distant memory. Today I'm showing you how to build this masterpiece step by step. Let's get cheesy. First, let's talk ingredients. Fresh basil is non-negotiable. Its peppery sweetness is the soul of this dish. Toast those pine nuts until they're golden and fragrant. It unlocks a buttery richness you can't skip. Now for the pesto, blend basil, garlic, toasted nuts, parmesan, olive oil, and a squeeze of lemon. Taste it. Bright, garlicky, alive. That's your flavor bomb. Shred your grilled chicken. Leftovers work wonders here, and mix ricotta with an egg, aged Parmigiano, and half that vibrant pesto. This isn't just a filling, it's a creamy, herby cloud that'll melt into every layer. And those lasagna sheets? Cook them al dente. They need to hold their own against all that decadence. Here's where the magic happens. Start with a generous layer of pesto. This isn't just a base, it's the heartbeat of the dish. Place your noodles like you're tucking them into bed, snug, but not overlapping. Then spoon that luscious ricotta mixture over them. Don't be shy. Spread it like you're frosting a cake. Hold up. If you're loving this, you need my free ebook with 20 lasagna recipes. Think creamy spinach artichoke, fiery chorizo, even a truffle mushroom luxury edition. The link's below. Grab it, save this video, and let's get back to our cheesy masterpiece. Now, the star of the show, that smoky grilled chicken. Sprinkle it evenly. Every forkful should be a party of textures. Follow with a snowfall of mozzarella. Repeat. Pesto, noodles, ricotta, chicken, cheese. Bake it covered first. This traps steam, melting the cheese into velvety pools and softening the noodles. Then, uncover and let that top layer crisp into a golden, bubbling crown. The smell? Heavenly. Now the hardest part, waiting. Let it rest for 10 minutes. I know, it's torture. But this lets the layers settle. Cut too soon and it'll collapse into a delicious but messy puddle. Patience, friend, it's worth it. Look at those layers. Creamy ricotta, smoky chicken, vibrant pesto, and cheese that stretches for days. Serve it with a squeeze of lemon to cut through the richness, or a sprinkle of chili flakes for heat. Hungry for more? Grab those 20 recipes. Your lasagna nights just got a major upgrade. Smash that subscribe button and tell me in the comments, pesto lasagna or classic. Now go cook, laugh, and make a mess. I'll see you next time.